Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn on Use Start Full Screen in Windows 10. By enabling this feature, you can maximize your Start menu to occupy the entire screen, providing a more immersive and visually appealing experience. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to activate Use Start Full Screen in Windows 10. Let's get started. Step 1. First, press the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu, your gateway to various Windows features. Step 2. Next, go to Settings. You can find the Settings option by clicking or tapping on the cogwheel icon in the Start menu. This will launch the Windows Settings app. Step 3. Within the Settings app, click on Personalization. This section allows you to customize the appearance and behavior of your Windows 10 interface. Step 4. Now click on Start from the left menu. This will open the Start settings, where you can modify the Start menu's layout and options. Step 5. To enable Use Start Full Screen, simply toggle the switch to the on position. This will expand the Start menu to occupy the entire screen, providing a more immersive experience. By using Start in full screen mode, you can take advantage of the larger space to view and access your apps, tiles, and other Start menu elements more efficiently. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the immersive experience of the full screen Start menu in Windows 10.